This is Kamraj Jaman, lecturer in English, Polish Lens School and College, Rangpur. As usual, as we are connected with the discussion of closed test, so today's class will be held on closed test. It's without clues, question 4. You have 5 marks. Let's discuss two given passages in the light of closed test. The first one is question 4. Read the following text and fill in the blanks with a suitable word from the box. There are more words than needed. Make any grammatical change if necessary. 0.5 into 10 equal to 5. So these are the clue words given in the brackets in the boxes. Attitude, amply, predestined, ordained, sorrow, which, outlook, belief, undergo, hold, fate, for. So you are very familiar with this pattern of solving with clues from the given words in the box. Let's go through the passages. There are many people in our country who have a conservative, number A, so outlook. Conservative means লক্ষণশীল, outlook দৃষ্টিভঙ্গি. This has been taken from the box. But early in life, they learn to believe. This is a clue word, that everything in this world was predetermined. Predetermined means predestined. Purvonirdharito, it means purvonirdharito. Look at the word purvonirdharito. They think all that happens to them was ordained, destined. তারা মনে করে যে তাদের কাছে যে সমস্ত ঘটনা ঘটে সেগুলো হচ্ছে সবকিছু পূর্ব নির্ধারিত, predestined or destined, ভাগ্য নিয়ন্ত্রিত by God, সৃষ্টিকর্তা দ্বারা. From this belief, the poor generally accept their poverty. এই বিশ্বাস থেকে গরিব মানুষরা তাদের দারিদ্র্যকে সাধারণত গ্রহণ করে নেয়. They also accept all their sorrows means দুঃখ, and suffering without trying much to overcome them. They also hold a firm belief that those who undergo, তারা এই বিশ্বাসও ধারণ করে, হোল্ড মানে ধারণ করা, এ ফার্ম বিলিভ, এরকম একটি দৃঢ় বিশ্বাসও ধারণ করে যে those who undergo, যারা সাফারিংস ইন দিস ওয়ার্ল্ড, যারা এই পৃথিবীতে বেশি ভোগান্তির শিকার হওয়ার অভিজ্ঞতা লাভ করে, will be amply means abundantly, তারা ব্যাপকভাবে রিওয়ার্ডেড ইন দ্য নেক্সট ওয়ার্ল্ড, তারা ব্যাপকভাবে পরজগতে পুরস্কৃত হবে. কারা? যারা এই জগতে খুব বেশি ভোগান্তির শিকার হয়েছে. amply means abundantly, ব্যাপকভাবে. They also have the same sort of attitude, number J, attitude, দৃষ্টিভঙ্গি, viewpoint, towards illness and disease. Dear students, this is passage number 1, and you take the notes of the answer of this given passage. These are the answers: outlook, belief, predetermined, ordered, poverty, sorrows, hold, undergo, amply. Last one, attitude. So let's go through another passage from with prose. As usual, here is your question. Look at the question. These are the given words in brackets. Each words have 0.0 marks. That means half marks. Let's start. Children are fond of festivals. They become very joyous, প্রফুল্ল on a day of festival. উৎসবের দিনে তারা প্রফুল্ল, খুবই প্রফুল্ল থাকে। If it is their birthday, their joys become overflooded. Overflooded. They become very eager. Eager means willing. আগ্রহী হয় to have wishes from their beloved persons. The whole day they want to spend times in joy. Want. Usually, a child on its birthday gets up early and tries to remain close to their parents. Remain, থাকা. It becomes a nice day if it is presented anything very favorite to it. It becomes a nice day if it is presented. তাকে যদি প্রেজেন্ট করা হয়, উপহার দেওয়া হয়, anything very favorite to him. তার প্রিয় কোনো কিছু তাকে যদি উপহার দেওয়া হয়। Children also want to have their friends invited, number H, invited to their houses on a festival. They expected to have party. Their joys give pleasure to their elders. Elders, বড়রা, বড়দেরকে তাদের আনন্দ, বড়দেরকে বড়দেরকে আনন্দ দাও। We should try to keep the children always in a festive mood. So my dear students, let's again look at the screen and have the notes for the answer. Joyous, lauded, eager, আগ্রহী, want, remain, becomes, favorite, invited, elders, festive. Thank you very much. I think you have enjoyed my class. Stay safe, stay blessed.